Hi, good morning, welcome to day 3, and we're out today with John, the landlord of the Hollybush here. He's brought his fabulous T120 out and he's going to show us a few sites. We're going to fill up at Kielder and then head up towards Moffat, St Mary's Lock. So you're welcome to come along with us. That's Carol. Has it got louder exhaust? It sounded quite loud when it arrived.
Marginally opposite.
Ready?
Yeah. See how quick John is.
Sounds great, that Bonnie.
Hello. Ah, it's the last day, eh, Carol? That was nice.
In front of it.
Straight across. That was good of him, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, you don't hang around, that's for sure.
You don't see.
So nice of John to come out with us. It's such a good laugh in the pub last
lovely,
night, wasn't
yeah.
it?
Yeah, no, I'm pleased he's come out because he's so busy with the pub, he doesn't get a lot of time off. So
they've got a 7-day-a-week operation there going, and
they went every morning, so they
went through it during lockdown, you know, and then suddenly get really busy. So it takes a lot of looking after a pub with accommodation. Got some good lines John's got.
I'll follow him.
Yeah, you follow his line, you won't do too bad actually. It must be the observatory up there. We're chatting to a couple over breakfast this morning. They say it's a really great experience going up there.
Yeah, they went up there. What did they say, about 8 o'clock last night and they didn't come back till midnight?
After midnight, yeah. Saw Saturn, and they just say it's a great experience. So they're still working on reasonably limited numbers there at the moment, and you do have to pre-book. So it's not something we're going to be able to do this time. But
no, but again, if we come in the winter again, it's somewhere we're
pulling in here. Yeah,
definitely go to.
I think so.
The High Road.
Yeah.
Now, I was just going to take a little diversion for a mile up to this castle called Hermitage.
Yeah.
Lovely.
I was thinking it might be a nice one just to fly a drone there.
Okay, yeah,
that'd
be great.
Good. If there's nobody about much, it'd be great. Yeah.
Ridiculously austere castle.
Yeah.
Weirdest thing.
Okay, cool. That'd be lovely.
We're in your hands today, so we're happy
wherever
to stop
you want to go. Yeah. Good little petrol station, that one, with 24 hours operation with the card thing, isn't it?
Thank you. Yeah, it's handy, isn't it? I don't know why more petrol stations aren't like it.
Yeah, at least have one pump with it on, that you can always get fuel then. So if you do go for a really early morning run.
Yeah.
So we're heading to a little castle then.
Yes. Saying he doesn't get much practice. He's a pretty good rider.
He's a good rider,
actually,
but I think he's ridden all his life like you have, hasn't he?
Yeah, he probably has, yeah.
He said he had a FS1E like you did.
Yeah, probably, well, we were probably similar ages, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's quite relaxing actually after 2 days of trying to navigate.
Yeah, just follow somebody.
Now, to actually just follow somebody. We've got a new Andy, and he's called John. It's a good shot. Should be able to get some nice stills just from the helmet cam.
Hope so. I'm using the GoPro 5 today.
Yes. I've left the 7 back in the room in disgust because of its bad misbehaviour yesterday. It's in detention, yeah. It kept saying there was a card fault, and yet we got the card off, and there was loads of files on there that it had done. Then it suddenly decided it was no good, didn't it? I don't know what's up here. It's just beautiful here though, it really is.
I like this road.
Fabulous.
Where the local knowledge comes in. Wow. Fabulous.
Set of Scottish reivers.
So what's the castle?
So the reivers, I can't get over the reivers are English and Scots.
Yep.
So what were they fighting for? This border area?
Each other, just really mainly cattle and sheep.
Oh right,
Yeah.
so they just fought over...
Yeah, they would raid each other and take away their cattle and their sheep.
Right.
And usually maybe a hostage or two.
Now was that something, because when we went to Moffat and they got the beef truck, they hid the cattle in the beef truck,
Yeah.
didn't they, down in the valley
Oh,
there.
Oh yeah.
So that was probably all part of that then.
You have to go through there.
Closed, but we walk up to it. So.
What have we got here?
I think I did jump over the gate.
Go jump over the gate.
Not if you do
No, we don't.
Very well done. That's magic.
Doors locked, you can't get in.
I wonder if the radio's on. Maybe that's what it's got. Sounds like a radio not tuned in. Cardo, radio off. There we go, that's better. So
You've got
now,
the radio, but with
it
no
puts the
station
radio on, but it doesn't even tune it into anything. Even worse. At least I've got classic FM before.
John will be amazed how smooth a view he'll get. think they could prescribe riding motorcycles as therapy on the NHS, couldn't they? It's just for you depressed.
Until you come off.
Well, yeah, but no, don't say that. But
yes.
yeah, it's a thing to take your mind off any form of depression.
Oh yeah. Especially on roads
this
like
is this is going to make you happy, isn't it?
It is good food for the soul. This is definitely.
Oh, absolutely.
You need to do something that gives you this kind of joy. You don't have to be motorcycling.
No.
Everyone needs something in their lives that gives them this feeling of just enjoyment, freedom,
excitement, fun, camaraderie a bit when you're out with a group, and
nice.
it's just a joy. Ah, dear. Ooh, piggies. Well, those tin huts get up.
The size of that pig, it actually fits in that hut.
They were bloody massive, weren't they? Absolutely huge. I mean, loads of them, look. Each of them's got its own little house.
I thought we were following the bus.
Cool, blimey, look at the size of that pothole. Unsuitable for buses.
You don't look like a jogger.
He's no jogger. He's jogging though.
Going up here faster than I would.
Yeah, I'd like to see his condition by the time he gets to the top of this hill. They're getting the paddles out. Cool, blimey.
Wow.
Go back in the Alps, Carol. Would you like to explain to the viewers where we are, Carol?
We're somewhere between Moffat and Greenhow, but as to say where we are, I'm not really sure.
Yeah, we are returning back to base again after a good blast around following John.
John is leading.
He's been a great tour leader.
Yep.
Stopped for a quick milkshake in Moffat, didn't we? Off camera.
There's a bit of it was called a mega milkshake. Yes.
Had a mega milkshake, £4.50 a piece, and very nice it was as well. It looked like he was going to throw it down, so it didn't film for a while.
It's definitely looking a bit brighter over here.
But brighter as we come back towards England. Scotland had got a big cloud over it. A lot of sheep shit on the road, Carol.
It's been a fabulous day.
How would you sum up the 3 days we've had riding up in the... it's a Northumberland National Park, really, isn't it?
Perfect biking holiday this has been. There's been so little traffic on the road.
So
everywhere.
underrated as a destination, isn't it? As far as, we just don't see that many people, but the views, the scenery, the roads.
Yeah, really good. And where the weather's like this.
Just been mega.
What more do you want?
Up round Kielder, what more do you want than this, eh?
Fantastic.
I know they're not mountains, but it's rugged and it's open and there's nobody here. And there's some fantastic roads.
It's really, really good. Every day has been a great day riding, hasn't it?
Yeah, it has. And honestly, I'm not just saying it because we're riding with the Landlord. I would really, really recommend John's place at Hollybush is somewhere to stop. I mean, it's reasonably priced. It's £100 a night.
basically.
Bed and breakfast, yeah,
Bed and
look after
breakfast.
you a treat.
He
And the
really-
evening meals are nice as well.
Evening meals, and they're just so friendly. Bar's well stocked, and
Not really. Bugger. I'll have to do a roundup. I'll just have my voice. Well, Richard's GoPro has now died after about 10 minutes of filming, if that. Don't think it even made 10 minutes, to be honest. So you've just got me on voice, and I've got the camera as well, which means I'm in charge. You can't hear Richard at all. I don't know. It'd be a strange sort of video this is going to be, then. But no, when the camera went off, he was just saying how good staying at the Hollybush has been. You can park your bikes right outside the pub, and the food's great, and staff have been absolutely lovely, really looked after as a treat, so really can't fault the place. I think we need to sack the GoPros completely, and we'll just stick. We will just buy another Insta 360, I think. We're looking at the view. So anyway, not really sure how long my battery is going to last, so as I'm now in charge, we'll round up the video and say thank you very much for watching, and if you'd like to catch us on any other videos, hopefully there'll be some more coming up soon. We're intending heading to Scotland at some point later in the year, so we may bring one or two from Scotland, although we won't film every day there. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye. They can't hear you. They still can't hear you. Richard says bye-bye.